Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how you can join the APEPE Polygon campaign in Tap That Drop Season 11 and earn millions of APEPE tokens just by completing a few simple quests in your decent wallet. Step 1. Add APEPE Polygon account. First, open your decent wallet app and add the APEPE Polygon account. This step is required to receive your rewards later, so make sure it's added before you continue. Step 2. Complete swap missions. Next, you'll need to complete 2 swap missions. Number 1. Swap to receive POL Polygon with a total transaction amount over $100. Number 2. Swap POL to APEPE. Again, making sure your total swap amount is more than $100. Do both swaps within the campaign period to qualify for the rewards. Step 3. Rewards Overview. Now let's talk about the exciting part. The rewards. There are 3 types of rewards you can win. 1. First come, first serve bonus. If you're one of the first 200 decent Biometric wallet users to complete all quests, you'll instantly receive 10 million APEPE tokens. Second tiered, Airdrop. All users who complete every quest will also get a tier-based airdrop, depending on your wallet type and NFT ownership. If you have a Biometric wallet and NFT, you'll receive 25 million APEPE tokens. If you have just a Biometric wallet, you'll get 15 million APP. And for card or app wallet users, the reward is 4 million APP tokens. 3. Swap ranking rewards. There's also a swap ranking challenge. Users who swap $10 or more per transaction from POL to APEPE will be ranked based on their total swap volume. The top participants can win massive prizes. Up to 840 million APEPE tokens for the first place. Bonus, Intract NFT quest. There's also an exclusive Intract NFT quest this season. Complete it using your Biometric wallet, and you can mint a limited edition NFT for free. This NFT also increases your reward tier, so don't skip this step if you want to maximize your rewards. Step 4. Join the campaign. Once you're ready, open your Decient wallet, go to the Tap That Drop Season 11 section, and join the campaign directly in the app. Remember, no tap, no drop. Be quick, complete all your quests, and you could become one of the stars of Tap That Drop Season 11. Outro, that's it for today. Add your APEPE account, complete your swaps, and grab your APEPE rewards before the campaign ends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your crypto friends.